In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to create this floating text effect in Premiere Pro. First of all, I'm going to create my text. After creating and positioning your text exactly how you want it to be, with the text selected on the timeline, you're going to head over to Effect Controls. Within Effect Controls, you're going to expand the text, and you're going to scroll all the way down to Transform. Within Transform, you're going to add a keyframe to position. Before you do that, make sure that the playhead is at the beginning of the clip. And then you're going to move 20 frames into the clip. To do that, you can simply hold down your Shift key and then press the forward arrow key 4 times. Now that will give you 20 frames. Let's zoom in on this a bit. So right there, you can add another keyframe and then modify the position value. After doing that, again, you're going to move 20 frames ahead and then modify the position values again. Repeat the action again, modify the values. So you're going to do this a few times. Now to save you time of doing this for the entire clip, you can simply select all the keyframes you've done so far, press Ctrl+C on the keyboard to copy them, and then move 20 frames ahead and then paste. Now you can do this for as long as you want the effects to last. Now when you're done and you play it back, you get something like this. Now if you want to make the effect a little bit smoother, you can select the whole keyframe, right click, and then head over to Spatial Interpolation and then select Bezier. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.